Hello friends, uh, we hope you are enjoying your day. You are requested to watch this video till the very end because in this video we are going to explain the working of Wrist-Trap tester. So Wrist-Trap tester is used to test the ESD properties of wrist trap, which is the first line of defense against static charge. So you will get this Wrist-Trap tester ISM 498, which is sold by Indian Enterprises in the packing you are watching on your screen. So let's open this box and see what contents are supplied along with this box. You will get an operating manual, a main unit, a 9-volt battery and a grounding cord along with this Wrist-Trap tester. So in the next step we will insert the battery. See, you need to open this cover and connect the respective terminals of battery and insert it back and then cover it. Now we will show you how this Wrist-Trap is used to connect, how this Wrist-Trap is connected to this unit and how it is checked. See, we need to remove the crocodile clip of Wrist-Trap and then insert on the rear side in the banana socket, and then press the actuation button, press this metal plate. So it will give an audible and visual signal as well. You can hear the beep. Green indication means the Wrist-Trap is okay, its ESD properties are okay. If Wrist-Trap is removed, then we press the actuation button once again, and then we will hear the visual signal will be there. It means either the Wrist-Trap is not connected on the rear side or there is a problem in the Wrist-Trap. If red indication is glowing, then you need to replace the Wrist-Trap. One grounding cord is also supplied along with this Wrist-Trap. See, there are two options to connect it to the this Wrist-Trap tester. So we can insert this banana plug on the rear side and connect the other side to the common grounding point, and the Wrist-Trap should be connected to the common grounding point also, so that the Wrist-Trap and this grounding cord is connected to each other and both are then connected to the external grounding point. So in this way also we can check the ESD property of a Wrist-Trap. If you see a green LED glowing and hear audible sound also, and it means that the Wrist-Trap is okay. And if you found the Wrist-Trap faulty, then replace it and use a new Wrist-Trap. So this is how a Wrist-Trap tester is used to test the ESD property of a Wrist-Trap, and it is very useful for testing the Wrist-Trap. Wrist-Trap forms the first line of defense against static charge, so we should ensure that we use a proper Wrist-Trap in the clean room area or the static sensitive area where we are working. So you are advised to buy this Wrist-Trap tester from us, and we will welcome your inquiry for this product. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.